In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Asana. If you've ever felt like a single task was becoming too large or difficult to manage, subtasks are the perfect solution. They allow you to break bigger assignments into smaller, more organized action items, helping you and your team stay focused, clear, and productive throughout the entire workflow. To get started, sign in to your Asana account and open the project that contains the main task you want to organize further. You can use either the list view or the board view depending on the layout you prefer. The process works the same way in both views, so choose whichever feels most comfortable for your workflow. Once you're inside the project, locate the task you want to divide into smaller steps. Click directly on the task name to open the Task Details panel on the right side of the screen. If the panel doesn't appear, make sure you clicked on the task title itself and not just the completion checkbox beside it. Inside the Details panel, scroll down until you find the Subtasks section. This is where you'll create all the smaller tasks connected to your main assignment. You'll notice an option labeled Add Subtask along with a plus icon. Click on it to begin creating your first subtask. A new entry line will appear where you can type the name of the subtask. Keep the wording short, clear, and action-oriented so it's easy to understand at a glance. For example, instead of using vague labels, try using specific actions that clearly describe the work that needs to be completed. After typing the name, press Enter to save it. If you need to add more subtasks, simply press Enter again and continue adding the remaining steps. This makes it much easier to organize complex work without cluttering your main project with too many separate tasks. Don't worry about the exact order immediately because you can always drag and rearrange subtasks later as priorities change or new information comes in. To make your subtasks even more useful, click on any individual subtask to open its details. From there, you can assign it to a teammate, set a due date, and include extra information such as notes, links, or instructions. Adding these details creates better accountability and helps everyone understand exactly what needs to be done. When you're finished, return to the main task by clicking its title at the top of the panel. You'll now see your larger task neatly organized into smaller, trackable steps that are easier to manage and follow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.